Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to speed up a video in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and either create a new project or select an existing one with the video you want to speed up. If you want to speed up the entire video, you can do that. However, if you only need to speed up a specific section, simply select the clip in the timeline. Decide where you want the speed up to begin, then tap split at the bottom left. Next, choose where you want the speed up to stop and tap split again. Now, select either the entire video or just the specific clip you want to speed up. With it selected, go to the bottom menu and tap speed. Choose normal, then adjust the slider to your preferred speed. CapCut allows speeds up to 100x, but for this example, we will set it to 5x. Once you've adjusted the speed, tap the check mark in the bottom right. Now, when you play it back, you'll see the speed change applied, and that's it. Now, you know how to speed up a video in CapCut.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.